Hey guys, I just a quick looking over at your poster here. A good start, Thanks. Now this is first impressions. This is one of the downsides of having our text justified, in that it looks from a distance, it looks really nice and square and all that kind of good stuff. But it tends to lead to things like this, where we have organisms where the letters are pretty tightly squeezed up against each other. In the very next line, we have S, almost a space, U, space, C, space, H. So I think that looks a little hokey. I would have you guys try it non-justified to see how that looks. It's probably going to look better. I need to do some better editing. So it's not in April 20th. It's actually on April 20th. And I would first start with the full word, British Petroleum, P is capitalized. And then if you want to use the abbreviation of BP, that should be the part that's in parentheses, for example. So a lot of editing here. 1,525 meters, for example, stuff like that. Yeah, so I would take another hit edit. This is all good. I would think that we might want another... maybe some bullet points down here after this of like the key points as to what we're worried about. So you guys just pulled one of our figures out, which normally would be okay, but the problem is it's pretty pixelated. How do I know it's pixelated? In other words, it'll look pretty poor when we blow it up. How are we going to know that? I would come over to here, pick something like, say, 200 or 300, and look at it, and it looks like this. This is what people are going to see when we print it up. So I think you guys, I gave Rob my the original of this, or at least a version that's on a PowerPoint already that was designed to be printed. I would use that rather than this less elegant version. So keep taking a couple more whacks at it, and I think that is good. This should also be Peterson et al. What else is jumping at my head? And this is 2012, I think, not 2013. Yeah, so cool. If you can get a picture of something down deep, such as if you look at Penn State, one of Penn State's blogs had a bunch of images, for example, of the Gorgonians, of oiled Gorgonians. Totally get it that we have a couple oiled crabs and stuff here, but the real story was mid-water down at the bottom. And if you could have an image that represents some ecological impact down there, that would be great. Yeah, so that's my first take. So thanks, you guys. Keep it up and send me a revision soon. Thanks.